Why do some websites instantly feel right the moment you land on them, while others just fall flat? It all comes down to the style you choose. When you're looking for inspiration for your next project, it's easy to get drawn to something that looks cool but doesn't actually match your brand's voice or resonate with your audience. And that can throw the whole experience off. So when should you choose minimalism? When does it make sense to go all bold and flashy? And when is it better to stick to the classics? Let's find out. Minimalist design does more with less. It's clean, airy, and intentional. Every element has a purpose. Here is what you need to emphasize when building a minimalist website. Strip away anything unnecessary. Every detail counts, so only put content that communicates your brand's mission and get rid of the rest. Stick to a simple palette. Use bold colors only to highlight key website copy. Empty space helps content stand out and guides attention. Use grids to guide users through your website. Consider it for fashion, photography, architecture projects, and artist portfolios. Brutalism is the opposite. It's raw, bold, and even provocative. Expect clashing colors, asymmetry, oversized typography, and intentional roughness. It grabs attention and breaks rules. Integrate conflicting colors, overlapping elements, and unexpected layouts to grab attention. Use sharp lines, hard shadows, and oversized typography to make your content pop. Brutalism is often used by bold new startups, edgy brands, or artists who want to showcase their personality. It's perfect for portfolios that challenge the norm or companies ready to disrupt the market. Next up is hand-drawn style. It mimics sketches and lettering, helping your website stand out from clean, grid-based designs. Users are more likely to remember websites with a personal touch, so give it a go if you want to create a stronger emotional connection. How to make it work? First, start with typography. Use fonts that feel organic and playful, but remember not to overdo it. These are great for headings, not body text. Rough edges, doodles, and scribbles create a casual, handmade vibe. Imperfection is part of the charm, so try to implement it where it fits. Skip rigid grids, use layouts that are intentionally off to keep things lively and personal. The hand-drawn style feels authentic and approachable. It will be perfect for creative portfolios, personal projects, kids' events, and more. Retro style. Now, retro design is amazing if you want to spark connection with your audience by bringing back nostalgic vibes. Think vintage color palettes, old school typography, and visual references from past decades. It instantly takes you back in time and gives any brand a unique, memorable personality. Let's see what makes it work. Use warm, nostalgic hues like oranges, pinks, turquoise, and muted shades to mimic old displays. Include posters, illustrations, cartoon elements, and abstract shapes to create that nostalgic feel. In retro style, buttons and UI mimic physical objects like old radios, TVs, or arcade machines. Retro works perfectly for websites that want to evoke a specific era or spark nostalgia, ideal for cafes, music projects, vintage shops, and bars. Finally, bento, inspired by Japanese lunchboxes, it's neatly organized into modular blocks, each with its own place, making it functional and balanced. If you're doing bento, lay out the grid first. That gives you structure, then slot your content into neat containers. Don't waste space, but don't cram things either. Bento uses minimal white space. Everything fits together, clean and efficient. Keep your typography simple and easy to read. Use clean fonts and skip the unnecessary decoration. When your text feels clean, your whole design does too. Bento is ideal for e-commerce, dashboards, and content-rich websites where clarity and structure are essential. However, it can look too rigid if you don't spice it up with colors, images, and typography. So how do you pick the right style? Ask yourself, what's my brand personality? Sleek, bold, playful, nostalgic, or structured? What does my audience expect? What type of content am I showing? Stories, products, portfolios, or data? Do I need uniqueness or usability first? For example, a SaaS dashboard leans more towards bento or minimalism. A heritage cafe thrives on retro, an experimental art project, brutalism, or hand-drawn. Exploring your brand's visual style and still don't have a website? On Tilda, you'll find templates for every mood, minimal, creative, or corporate. Grab it for free for 3 months with our exclusive promo code. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.